Good morning, dear students. This lecture is for class 11th, subject business studies, chapter 8, small business, lecture first. Topics to be covered: introduction of small business, meaning of small business, role of small business in India, major industry groups in small scale sector. So let us start with the introduction of small business. Small scale enterprises exist in every country of the world, but in a developing country like India, small scale enterprises occupy a special place as there is scarcity of capital and abundance of labor, and small scale enterprises use labor intensive and capital saving technique. In India, the village and the small industry sector consist of both traditional and modern small industry. These sectors has 8 subgroup. They are handloom, handicraft, coir, sericulture, khadi and village industry, small scale industries and power looms. The last two come under the modern scale industry while other comes under traditional industry. Village and small industry together provide the largest employment opportunity in India. So before understanding the nature and meaning of small business, it is important to know how size is defined in our country, which refers to small industry and small business in this establishment. So several parameters can be used to measure the size of business. First, the number of person employed in business. Second, capital invested in business. Third, volume of output of businesses. And fourth, power consumed for business activity. The definition used by the Government of India to describe small industry is based on the investment in plant and machinery. This measure seeks to keep in the view of social economic environment in India where capital is scarce and labor is abundant. Now let us discuss the meaning of small scale business. Immediately after independence, small scale industry was defined by Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951. See, Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951. Accordingly, any enterprise which employ not more than 50% when using power and 100 when not using power, and with the capital assets not exceed 5 lakh. Now meaning and new classification of small business as per MSMED Act. Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Act 2006. This is MS, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise Act. Accordingly, enterprise are classified into two major categories, that is manufacturing and services. Under manufacturing, three categories are there: micro enterprises, small enterprises and medium enterprises. Micro enterprises, where the investment in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakh rupee. Small enterprises, where the investment in plant and machinery is more than 25 lakh rupee but does not exceed 5 crore rupee. Medium enterprises, where the investment in plant and machinery is more than 5 crore rupee but does not exceed 10 crore rupee. Now according to services, micro, small and medium enterprises. Micro, where the investment in equipment does not exceed 10 lakh rupee. Small enterprises, where the investment in equipment is more than 10 lakh rupee but does not exceed 2 crore rupee. Medium enterprises, where the investment in equipment is more than 2 crore rupee but does not exceed 5 crore rupee. This is the meaning of small scale business. Now let us discuss the role of small scale business in India or role of small scale industries in social economic development of India. How small scale industry develop India. So these are the some points that we will discuss in this video. First is employment. Small scale industry are labor intensive. See employment. Small scale industry are labor intensive. So they provide additional employment to men and women because it is labor intensive. Next to agriculture, small business constitute the most popular occupation of the people of India. They also provide employment to agriculture who remain idle during a part of year. Small industry are the second largest employer of human resources after agriculture. They generate more number of employment opportunity as per unit of capital invested compared to the large industry. Now, second point is variety of product. See, variety of product means lot of product. See, small industry in our country supply a numerous variety of product which include mass consumption goods, ready-made garments, hosiery goods, stationery item, soap and detergent, domestic utensils, leather, plastic, rubber goods, processed food and vegetable, wool and steel furniture, paint, etc. Among the sophisticated items manufactured are electric and electronic goods like television, calculator, electronic teaching aid like other projectors, etc. These are the variety of product offered by small scale industry to India. Now, next third point is balance regional development. The contribution of small scale industry to the balanced regional development of our country is noteworthy. Small industry which provide simple product using simple technology and depend on locally available resources, both material and labor, can be set up anywhere in the country since they can be widely spread without any locational constraint. The benefit of industrialization can be repelled by every region. They thus contribute significantly in the balanced development of the India or the country. So balanced regional development. The next point is low cost of production. See, small industry also enjoy the advantages of low cost production. Locally available resources are less expensive. See, those products which are available in India will be less expensive. Establishment and running cost of small industry are on the lower side because of the low overhead expenses. In fact, the low cost of production which small industry enjoy is their competitive strength. Now the last point is quick and timely decision. See, due to small size of the organization, quick and timely decision can be taken without consulting many people. It happens in large sized organization. As you know, in large size there is a need to ask everyone what to do, what not to do, but in small business it is very easy to take decision timely and quickly. So for the above discussion, we can analyze the role of small scale industry in social economic development of India. Now let us read the major industry group in the small scale sector. कि how many industries will be engaged in small sector. First, product, food product, chemical and chemical products, basic metal industry, metal product, electronic machine and parts, rubber and plastic product, machinery and parts except electrical goods, hosiery and garments, wool product, non-metallic material product, paper product and printing, transport equipment and part, leather and leather product, miscellaneous manufacturing industries, beverage, tobacco and tobacco product, cotton textile, wool, silk, synthetic fiber and textile, jute textile. All these are engaged in small scale business. So for the above discussion, we conclude that small scale business is very important or has so many importance in India. Just because of small business, India will be developed very soon. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you for today. We will discuss the next topic in the next lecture.